Hello, my name is Carlos Busali, and today I will be speaking about linear programming. So, as we analyzed before and as we have studied, linear programming is considered as an optimization method to maximize or minimize the objective function given on a mathematical method. The the main point basically on linear programming is to find the optimal solution and the best way to go on a problem given, and that's why it's so efficient and used in so many cases on real life. Okay, so how does it works? The main point of the linear programming is to find the optimal value for the given linear function. So that optimal value can be either a maximum value or a minimum value. And the objective function has different variables, and these variables are subject to satisfy the linear constraints. So this method, this theory, can be used to get the optimal solution for scenarios such as diet problems, manufacturing problems, allocation problems, and it can be really efficient to get as we said before, the best solution. And there are some components to program linear. And the first one is the constraints. There are the limitations that should be expressed in a mathematical form. Then you have the objective function that should be specified in a quantitative way. Then there is a linearity, that it is a relationship between two or more variables, and it must be linear. And then you have the decision variables that are the most important component because we'll decide the output, and that gives you the ultimate solution for the problem. For the solution, the linear programming can be solved in different ways. There are different strategies to do it. There's the graphical method that we learned in class. There's the simplest method, and for me, the most efficient and the most easy to use, the solver, because you have Excel, you have all the information organized, and the the solution is clear, and it's a faster and more efficient process. So that's what I prefer. A real-time example that I could think of is the limitation of labors and materials and how to find the best production levels for the maximum profit and revenue. And you can have this circumstance, and you can have this case, and to order it on solver maybe that I can think on the graphic method, and on this way find the optimal solution to get the most of the circumstance and to make the most profit. And that's amazing. You can use it also in engineering, on manufacturing, on energy industry, because in all these cases, you need the optimal solution for different problems and from different scenarios. And with linear programming, you can find it on the most efficient way.